Smokey, what are you doing? Jumping about, eh? Good morning. I'll come out. Oh, by the way, I trimmed the buddleia, hoping to get some more buddleia flowers, but I didn't. They didn't come. Bees like the yellow flowers. Look at them, getting pollen with late summer, Indian summer. I've had the odd butterfly, but look, there's what you can get in the garden, buzzing around, full of insects. And the trouble is with the grass these days is you get daddy longlegs as well. Cat's disappeared. Oh yeah, we watered the garden the other night. Red roses are lasting well, but a couple of petals have dropped off. Need to come with a secateurs, but I tell you what, it's just been too blooming hot. Oh, spider warning if you hate spiders. These things, where are you going to see them? The September spiders. They always come out at this time of the year, and when you get the moisture of a September morning, you see all the webs hanging around off the trees and the privet and the bush. This one's interesting. He's made his little nest, and you see all the insects he's created. Oh, can you hear the seagulls now? I hope it's not a funnel web spider, but that's Australia and we're in the UK, so anyway, I'm going to have my coffee because I'm just up. I've had a shower, which you didn't really want to know, but I have anyway, because it was another night, a hot night, and I felt crap. So anyway, I'm going to try and start the day and make it positive, so I'll finish on the yellow flowers. You have a good day, and we'll maybe do another one later or tomorrow or something like that. TTFN.